Hey guys, so we are back here with another HelloFresh meal. So this is what we made. We made the roasted chicken and flautas with crema and spinach salad. So we actually made this meal the other day, so we're having leftovers tonight. There was a huge amount of food with this. So we actually got 6 servings out of our 4 serving meal. Marcus is already getting his enchiladas all set up there. So Marcus, what did you think of this meal?
Very good.
Yeah?
I loved it.
So what was your favorite part?
The enchiladas.
Yeah? So what's inside of them? Can you show us?
Inside of them is right here. You can look at the card.
Okay.
Inside of it, there's chicken with, like, you season the chicken with,
With tomato sauce and cheese, right?
yeah, and then you put them on there in the oven with cheese, and then you prep them with your salad and.
Yeah. So the salad has a lime vinaigrette on it that we made. And the only thing we really added to this meal was we did add a little bit of extra cheese because we found that it wasn't really cheesy enough. So Marcus, what did you think of this? What did you think of the salad?
The salad? It's pretty good.
It's good. I think it could have used a little bit more lime.
Yep.
But I really liked the meal. There was a ton of salad. The only thing that I didn't like is I found that the chicken was actually kind of bland. I would have probably put more seasoning in it or something, like if I would do it again, maybe green peppers or something like that. But I found it to be like it could have used a little bit more taste. Not spicy, but just more taste. But anyway, so what did you think overall, Marcus?
Pretty good. Are we going to do a taste test?
Go ahead. I think you've already tasted it, but we'll cut it with your knife, please.
Okay.
Yeah, don't, not a taco. Can you eat it with a fork, please, though?
Yep. Well,
Like, cut a piece off. How is it? Is it good as leftovers? Yeah.
really good.
So yeah, this one definitely was good value for us. It was a lot of food. We got 12 of the breads and we were able to make 6 meals out of it. So we got like 2 suppers for both of us and lunch for me for a couple days. So anyway, guys, I would give this meal, I give it probably 9 out of 10. I personally would have wanted a little bit more seasoning in the meat. But Marcus, what do you give it?
10 of them.
10 out of 10. Okay, see you guys later.